loves you. Yeah.
All right, Emma. Yours.
Welcome to season 3, episode 2 of An Assembly, because today we're doing this first.
More jokes.
What's the difference between a poorly dressed man on a unicycle and a well-dressed man on a cycle? Attire. Let's do the how are yous. Sarah, how are you? Granny Steve, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you, Brendan.
Now Jackie, how are you?
Very well, thanks.
Craig, how are you?
Good, thanks, Lenny.
Pam, how are you?
Very well, thank you, Lenny.
Izzy, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Tracy, how are you?
Fantastic.
Mum, how are you?
All good.
And we have a certificate again for Nikki King for buying a new car. And we have a certificate for Nan Jackie for doing good effort. And we have a certificate for Tracy for having a sleepover on September. And a certificate for Mum for cooking curry. And that's it, we'll be back